Birds are among the most remarkable creatures on Earth, from tiny hummingbirds to powerful eagles. They display beauty, intelligence, and extraordinary flying abilities. But how did birds come to exist, and what is their purpose? According to the Quran, birds are signs of Allah's creation and power. The Quran invites people to observe the birds flying in the sky and reflect on the wisdom behind their design. It states that Allah created all living things and sustains them. The flight of birds is presented as one of the many signs that point to the Creator's knowledge and power. Science explains that birds evolved over millions of years from ancient dinosaur ancestors. Fossil discoveries show that many characteristics of modern birds, such as feathers and lightweight bones, gradually developed over time. Today, scientists recognize birds as one of the most successful groups of animals on Earth. Birds play a vital role in nature. They help control insect populations, pollinate plants, spread seeds, and maintain ecological balance. Scavenger birds, such as vultures, help clean the environment by consuming dead animals. Without birds, many ecosystems would struggle to survive. One of the most fascinating features of birds is their ability to fly. Their hollow bones, powerful muscles, specialized feathers, and efficient respiratory systems make flight possible. Scientists continue to study birds to better understand aerodynamics and animal behavior. Whether viewed through the lens of faith or science, birds inspire wonder and curiosity. The Quran presents them as signs for those who reflect, while science reveals the complexity and beauty of their biology. The next time you see a bird soaring through the sky, consider the incredible design, purpose, and mystery behind one of nature's most extraordinary creations. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fascinating discoveries about the universe and the wonders of creation.